66 million years ago, an asteroid strike instantly wiped out the Tyrannosaurus rex, ending the age of the dinosaurs. But nature abhors a vacuum. With the world's largest predators completely gone, a terrifying evolutionary race began in the hypertropical wetlands of South America. The throne of the ultimate apex predator, the creature that rose to claim that throne, did not have claws, wings, or armor. It was a serpent so colossally massive, it redefined the absolute limits of biological engineering. This is Titanoboa. For millions of years, the existence of this monster remained a total secret. It wasn't until the 21st century, inside the massive coal mines of Colombia, that paleontologists uncovered the truth. When the final measurements were calculated, the scientific world was stunned. This prehistoric snake grew up to 50 feet long and weighed over 2,500 pounds. It was as long as a modern school bus. How did a cold-blooded reptile reach such a monstrous size? The secret lay in the climate. During this era, the global temperature was radically hotter and wetter, creating a hypertropical greenhouse. But a body this heavy faced severe limitations. On land, gravity was its greatest enemy. To survive, it became an aquatic ghost, using the deep rivers to float its massive weight. Titanoboa did not possess venom. It relied entirely on absolute suffocating power. Lying in wait just beneath the surface, it tracked its targets through specialized heat-sensing pits, and its favorite prey included ancient crocodilians like Ceratonosuchus. With a striking speed that defied its massive size, Titanoboa ambushed its target. If Titanoboa was the undisputed king, what caused its downfall? The answer is climate change. Over millions of years, global temperatures dropped, and the giant could no longer survive. The giants faded into history, leaving behind smaller descendants like the modern anaconda. Which animal should Wildlife Vault explore next? Tell us in the comments below.